Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. This session is all about operations on numbers using estimation. Children, let's begin our session. Actually, this session is all about rounding off and estimation. So, here we will do rounding off and estimation operation on four basic mathematical operations. That means we will implement rounding off and estimation on addition problem, subtraction problem, multiplication problem, as well as division problem. So, we are going to start with an addition word problem. Here we will implement rounding off as well as estimation within this problem. Let us say to you about the problem. Problem number 1. The population of a town X is 6,16,817. What I said, the population of town X is 6,16,817 and that of town Y is 2,93,402. Estimate the total population of both towns to the nearest thousand. What to do? We have to round off both the numbers initially, then we have to add them. And next clue is that when we will round off the numbers, we have to round off the numbers nearest thousand. So now I will discuss with you about the solution. Rounding off the numbers to the nearest thousand, we will get, if we round off 6,16,817 nearest to 1000, what we will get? Here the number is 16,000. That means 6 is more than 5. So we will round off it, and if the number is more than 5, then it will be increased by 1. So after estimation, the new number is 6,17,000 and another number 2,93,402. So if we can consider the place value of 1000, it is 3. That means less than 5. So we will round off it to nearest to 1000, and now my number will become 22,93,000 only, because here 3 is less than 5, so it will be same to same. And if the number is more than or equal to 5, then it will be increased by 1. So here the number is less than 3, so it will become same to same. So after rounding off, we are getting the number 2,93,000 only. And if we are adding these two numbers, means 6,17,000, With 2,93,000, we get the estimated sum of 9,10,000. Okay, children, I hope this is clear to you. Next, come to the subtraction problem. Let me read the subtraction problem for you. There were 67,853 spectators in the stadium. There were 67,853 spectators in the stadium, out of which 15,229 were children. Estimate the number of adults in the stadium to the nearest thousand. Children, it is a subtraction problem. First of all, we have to round off the total number of spectators, and we will do the round off operation nearby to 1000. The digit we are getting in place of 1000, that is 7, and 7 is more than 5. So what to do? We will increase 7 by 1. That means the estimated value of 67,853 is 68,000. Total number of children in the stadium is 15,229. If we round off that, we will get 15,000 only. Why? Because the number given in place of 1000, it is 5. And after that, digits are less than 5. So, the estimated value will be 15,000 only. Now, if we subtract the number of children from the number of spectators, we will get the number of adults. So, what to do? We have to subtract the rounded off number of children from the number of spectators. If we subtract 15,000 from 68,000, we will get the number 5,000, 53,000. So, it is the rounded off number of adults person who are present in the stadium. So we can write the answer statement like that. There were about 53,000 adults in the stadium. Children, now let's discuss about the multiplication word problem, where we will use the process of rounding off and estimation. Let me read the problem for you. A factory produces 19,272 bulbs every month. A factory produces 19,272 bulbs every month. About how many bulbs will be produced in a year? So, production of 1 month is 19,272 only. of a factory which is producing bulbs only. So we can say the actual production of bulbs of a factory is 19,272. If this is the production of a month, and we know that one year having 12 months. So if we multiply this amount with 12, then we can get the actual production of bulbs of a factory of a particular year or in a year. And if we estimate the production of a month, and after that if we multiply with it with the number of months, then we will get the estimate production of an year of a factory. Now children, first of all, I will calculate actual production, then I will reach to the estimated production. Actual production means we have to multiply 12 with 19,272. Children, as we all know the process of multiplication, so here I am not repeating the process of multiplication with you. First of all, what to do? I will multiply 2 with 19,272, and in the next step I will multiply 10 with 19,272. So in the first row we got the result 38,544, and in the second step we have got the result 1,92,720. If we add these two amounts, we get the result 2,31,264. Now come to the point about estimation. Children, if we round off nearby to 10,000, what we will get? Children, in the place of 10,000, we get the value 9. And 9 is more than 5. So what to do? We will increment the value by 1. Children, make it clear. We will round off nearest to the 10,000. So what is the place value nearest to 10,000 is 9. And 9 is more than 5. So we will increment it by 1. Now my estimated production of the factory is 20,000 of a month. Next come to the number of months of a year. We know number of months of a year is 12. But if we round off to the nearest 10, what we get? We get the value 2, and 2 is less than 5. So we will decrease the value by 1. So in estimated months of a year, we will calculate now. Estimated months of a year is 10. Estimated months of an year is 10. So if we multiply 10 with 20,000, we will get the result 2 lakhs. This is the estimated product of the factory over an year. And actual production of the factory in a year is 2,31,264. Now children, I will discuss with you about the estimated quotient. Before that, I will read the question for you. The total cost of 28 jackets is rupees 41,580. Let me read for you once again. The cost of 28 jackets is rupees 41,580. Find the estimated cost of one jacket. The cost of 28 jackets is rupees 41,580. And now what to do? We have to find out the estimated cost of one jacket. For that, what we will do? Round off 28 and we will get the value 30. So after rounding off 28, the value is 30. And now we will rounding off rupees 41,580. If we are rounding off the value 41,581, we will get the result 42,000. Now what we will do? We will divide 42,000 with 30. Sorry, I will say we will divide 42,000 by 30 and we will get 0 remainder as well as quotient. As a quotient we will get 1400. It is the estimated quotient, children. It is not the real quotient because we are dividing the estimated value. That means we are dividing 42,000 by 30. That is only the estimated value. And when we divide these two numbers, we will get 1400 as a quotient. So, the estimated cost of one jacket is rupees 1400. I think children, through this session, your conception regarding rounding off and estimation is clear with all four fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And above all, this time we have solved these four kind of operations through word problem. Thank you children for this session and I hope you have cleared all your doubts. Even then, if you are having any doubts within your mind, just clear your doubts through our online session. Till then children, goodbye. Stay safe, stay at home and take care.